Gents, what's up? It's Justin Mark. Hope all is well. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're going to talk to you about why most guys fail cold approach and how to actually fix it. You know, cold approach is one of the best ways to meet beautiful women and even build an amazing social circle. You can even meet cool guys from cold approach. I met one of my best friends 13, 14 years ago in the college gym. I walked up to him, gave him a fist bump, and invited him to a party because he was lifting good weights, and I overheard him talking about parties and shit, and we've been friends for a very long time. And in the same way, you can actually meet beautiful women from cold approach. I was just at a very big mall, tons of beautiful women walking around. And I'm looking around like, dude, there are some gorgeous women here. And a lot of these girls, they're well-dressed, they look approachable, they're smiling at me, right? And it got me thinking, most guys, they sacrifice these opportunities. When they're out in public, there's beautiful women there, and they're giving up on these opportunities to meet beautiful women, okay? A lot of times, a lot of these girls are going out to public social spaces because they want to meet someone cool. They want to be social. They don't know where else to go. And a lot of you guys have even tried and failed because you don't have the right approach or know the right thing to do in order to bring that person into your life. And it's just crazy because I've had over 12, 13 years of cold approach experience and I've had immense success in that field, okay? So I'm going to teach you exactly what works and exactly what doesn't in this video. And let's just jump in, okay? Now, I want you to understand something. Most guys don't fail because cold approach doesn't work. That's a huge misconception a lot of guys have. They fail because they're making basic, fixable mistakes, okay? That's the reality, okay? A lot of guys are just waiting for the perfect moment to talk to her, right? Or they're thinking, oh, she has problems with her boyfriend, or she doesn't look available. Dude, hesitation kills the interaction, right? And so that's a massive issue, okay? A lot of times, too, guys are just coming in low energy and unsure of themselves. And obviously, if you're unsure of yourself, she'll be unsure of you too, okay? She'll definitely be unsure of you if you're unsure of yourself, right? How can she be sure of you if you're not sure of yourself? That's a major mistake a lot of guys make, okay? Now, another major mistake a lot of guys make is when they are talking to that woman, it's very logical. It's very like robotic and logical, right? Do not be robotic. Just talk about whatever the fuck's on your mind, right? You can just have a boring but fun emotional conversation, okay? That is the key, okay? I was out today, tons of beautiful girls, said hi to some people, made some friends. It's very simple. It's very simple with a positive smile. You gotta be well dressed, a little bit well dressed, so at least they know you're not homeless, you're not a panhandler, you're not trying to sell anything, okay? And you just make some jokes. Be in the moment, okay? Now, a major thing is being relaxed, okay, and outcome independent, okay? Because a lot of guys are outcome dependent, and it makes you come off needy. It makes you come off like you're trying to sell something. It makes them feel some sort of pressure. And I don't know about you, but people come up to me all the time. I just spent an hour talking to some fans at the mall. Some guys approached me, and we ended up talking for an hour, right? And we're just talking about life. We're talking about all kinds of things. We're talking about positives of my life and negatives and all kinds of stuff and my whole journey and everything. And the thing I liked about talking to them is they were not needy. They were not judgmental. They were just cool, open, and they were just happy to talk to me. And so I didn't feel like they were putting any pressure on me, so I actually invited them to come sit down and talk to me, you know? So that's a very important thing, okay? Just make it feel comfortable for the other person. If you can make someone feel comfortable, they'll invite you in, okay? That's very, very important. Now, another thing is when you're having the interaction, you must have some sort of clear intent. You can let her know, hey, I like you, let me get your number, we just get some coffee sometime. But make it non-pressure. You don't have to be up in her face, but make it very low pressure, okay? There are simple, actionable things you can do to actually fix this, okay? I want you to understand that. All you need to do is fix being needy with being outcome independent, okay? So instead of being needy and anxious, right, how about you just free, carefree? Okay? Instead of talking logically, how about you just talk with more emotion and more of a range of expression, right? Instead of coming in low energy and unsure of yourself, how about you come in positive, sure of what you're saying, and a little bit higher energy, just good energy, just good vibes, okay? Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, just jump in with what feels in the moment, okay? There's no perfect moment. That's the reality. This is the big reason most guys fail in cold approach. And again, I was out at the mall today, and I'm just thinking, wow, there are so many beautiful women here. There's so many gorgeous women. And I was looking around, I was like, man, they changed the mall now. There's like public areas to hang out. There's people just enjoying their day. There's girls walking around. I even saw some girls checking me out, you know. I actually bumped into a PUA guy that I used to do game with back in the day. And he just run around the wall. He gives me a fist bump because he's so happy. You know, there's beautiful women there. You'd be so shocked how many beautiful women go out these days, okay? Because things are moving away from online. Too many people are tired of living a social media lifestyle. Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, all those things. Too many people are sick and tired of just relying on online. And a lot of beautiful women definitely want to be out, be in public, meet people, whether they're in a park, whether in the mall, whether they're at a bar, whether it's a cafe, the coffee shop, wherever it is. There are tons of gorgeous women out and about their day, especially because in North America, summer's right around the corner, it's getting warmer outside, the weather's getting better, and there are a lot of opportunities to meet beautiful women. There are a lot of opportunities to bring beautiful women into your life, okay? There's a lot of opportunity to have a lot of dating success. And this is also one of the best ways you can take action to date a beautiful woman, because a lot of the women you'll see during the daytime, you won't see anywhere else, okay? They're not at the club, they're, at the coffee shop reading a book, they're, shopping, but they're not partying at nighttime, right? A lot of these girls, some of them do, sure, some of them go at nighttime too, but some of them aren't on Tinder, they're not on Bumble, they're on Hinge, some of them use Instagram, right? You won't be able to meet them otherwise. And some of the most gorgeous, most beautiful, most approachable, most kind, most elegant women you can absolutely meet during the daytime, okay? So here's an opportunity for you to actually realize that, boom, there are beautiful women out there that you can actually go approach, okay? Change that belief and mindset in your head. Some of these women absolutely want to be approached and would love to meet a guy just like you, especially if you dress well, carry yourself with a high degree of class, and are respectful. If you're respectful and confident and charming and elegant as a man, okay? If they don't like you, just leave. That's fine, right? If they reject you, it's fine. It's part of the process, right? But at the end of the day, cold approach does work if you're a confident guy, if you're sure of yourself, and you put your best foot forward, okay? Be polite, be positive, smile, share value, and think this will go the way you expect it to. I promise. Go out and try it. Go out this week. Go try it. Go try some day game. You will be so shocked at what's possible when you actually decide to go out of your comfort zone to cold approach strangers and invite them into your life, okay? Guys, I'm Justin. I love teaching you guys this stuff. Make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Instagram, link down in the description down below. I'll see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.